Hey there! Do you feel like your small home or studio apartment just isn't giving you that cozy vibe or space you were hoping for? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some fantastic small house design ideas that can totally transform your space. And I mean, totally. Whether you're in a cute little studio or a small home with limited square footage, trust me, there's always a way to make it work. It's all about the design hacks, my friend. A few clever tricks and you'll feel like you've doubled your space. So one of the biggest challenges, where do we put all our stuff? I mean, clutter is real, right? But here's a pro tip, go vertical. Yeah, vertical storage is a lifesaver. Think hidden compartments under the bed or pull-out drawers under your coffee table. Super practical, and guess what? They can even become stylish decor elements. Now, another must-have, foldable or collapsible furniture. You know, things like dining tables that fold away when you're done, or beds that disappear into a wall cabinet. I love this trick. It's like having extra space whenever you need it. Poof, space magic. And here's a game changer, multipurpose furniture. Imagine this, a dining table that also works as a home office, or a daybed that turns your living room into a cozy guest room. I mean, why have one function when you can have two, right? Oh, and mirrors. They're not just for selfies. Placing them opposite windows reflects light and instantly makes any room feel bigger and brighter. It's like creating an illusion without the magic wand. Don't forget the vertical space. Tall bookshelves, long windows, and high storage cabinets make a huge difference. You'll be amazed how much more open your space feels just by looking up. Sliding doors and windows are another cool hack. They don't swing open, so you can place furniture near them without worrying about blocking anything. More space, more options. With just these few changes, I promise your small space will feel a whole lot bigger and more comfortable. Remember, it's not about the size of the space. It's all about how you design it. Ready to give it a try? With Foyr Neo, you can design your entire space in 3D before making any big decisions. How cool is that? Click the link in the description to grab a free 14-day trial and start your small home transformation today. All right, that's it for today. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more design hacks. I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!